Weekend Modder here with a send-in proof video for Max T of Michigan. This is the console that you sent in. It's a Corona V3 or higher. It does have a 4 GB NAND. It did require a postfix adapter. We RGH'd it using a Matrix V1 and the Muffin CR4 speedup method, which as you can see here has resulted in some really brilliantly fast boot times. We did the white LEDs as was requested, and then as the console boots here, you'll see that it's got Freestyle Dash, Dash Launch, XCX menu, and Aurora Dash all pre-installed. It'll start up directly into Freestyle Dash. I saw your note on the send-in form. I don't load any themes or anything like that. I don't even have any. I don't do any for myself. So, but you do have a backup disk inside the little sleeve here that's got copies of your original NAND and that sort of stuff. Be sure to also check out the contents of your your final email that has your tracking number and your proof video link in it. So thanks very much for your business, and hope you enjoy.